Are you helping Mama do the dishes? Hmm? Well, now that he can walk, he climbs up everything. And now he's fixing the dishwasher for us. Mr. Fix-It. Hmm? Hmm? Say hi! You gonna get down and walk for us? Come on. Come on. Wee! Oh! Come on. Brayden! This is him climbing back into the dishwasher. Brayden, come here. Hey. Come on. Come on, look, come here. Look. Come here. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Come on, there he goes. Come on. Mr. Walking Machine. Come here. Oh.